Morning sports fans, check it out. Father Ken is flat out on Claas, tractor Claas, Baler, Michael wrapper. He bales it and then he wraps it in yarn. It's madness, it is madness, you know. What happens, right? You get tractor, put shaft onto baler, set her off, flat out, but this isn't flat out, but it's as flat out as Ken goes. That's it. Get no on it, I'd say. Then we'd be ramming on. Right? And then he ups his full, and then nets it, and then he chucks it out, and then you just keep driving, put it on wrapper and keep going. Some say we could have got a combi, yeah. But that'd just be too easy, wouldn't it? Well, that's it, aye. Grand aye. No knows. Guess what I saw earlier? Father Ken up at 6 AM. It's madness.